Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to send Bitcoin from your Phantom wallet to Robinhood in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has gotten even smoother, but we'll walk you through it step by step to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're looking to cash out, diversify, or just move assets around, this guide is perfect for beginners and pros alike. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that it's updated to the 2025 version for optimal security. Open the app and log in with your wallet. You'll see your dashboard. Locate your Bitcoin balance in the Assets section. If you don't have any BTC, you'll need to acquire some first, but assuming you're good to go, tap on your Bitcoin to select it. Next, hit the Send button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Now, hop over to your Robinhood app or website. In 2025, Robinhood has streamlined its crypto integration, so go to your wallet section and copy the Bitcoin deposit address. Be extra careful here. Double check that it's the correct address to prevent any losses. Paste that address into the Phantom Wallet Send field. Then, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Remember, fees can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on the estimated transaction fee displayed. Once everything looks good, review the details and hit Confirm. You'll need to authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. After that, sit back and wait. Transactions on the Bitcoin network can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the conditions. You can track the status in Phantom's transaction history. Once it's confirmed, check your Robinhood account to see your Bitcoin deposited. And there you have it. Your Bitcoin is now safely in Robinhood. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for large amounts and stay updated on any regulatory changes in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.